Good morning, everybody. My name is Theocharis Katranis. I live in Cyprus and I'm a business consultant. In this video, I'm going to talk about Smart Marketing Coaching, which is a website that can be of great help for people who want to work with the internet and, of course, to make money online. So what you will see now, what you see in your monitor, in your screen, this is the back office. So when you enter, you are going to see this like your back office. You're going to see a lot of buttons, that all these buttons include a lot of information, and I'm going to explain you with a very, of course, with a very brief information. I'm going to give very brief information about the use of each one of them. So I will start with the WordPress tutorials. This is a page that you can really get into it, and you can spend time to go one by one and read all this information, and of course to learn how to work with WordPress, how you can add page, how you can add posts, and so forth, image galleries, edit the links, and so forth. This is one of the buttons. Then we have the WordPress Mastery. This is another page that you can also get from this website, and you can find 195 videos. This is all about WordPress, and then you can take one by one, like you have over the shoulder training, and of course you can get a lot of ideas of how you can work and deal with this with the WordPress. Then the next button, this is for WordPress Themes. This is few themes, WordPress themes that somebody can download and it can use to create a website. So if you don't have a theme and you don't want to buy from the internet, you can get one from here. You can see which one is more closely to your needs, and then of course you can download it and start working with the theme. Next is the button of the plugins. And we know that when we work with WordPress, there are a lot of plugins that we upload or activate in our WordPress theme, and we make our website to be more effective, more valuable also for our customers, and of course it makes our life easier. And many times with some of these plugins, we can even protect and get our website in the next level. One thing that I have to mention, this is the next button. This is the marketing tutorials. This is an amazing database of information. And for people who are looking to get into this really deep, then they can even start from Amazon Marketing, which has 20 videos. This is being another 20, e-commerce, email marketing, Facebook ads, Facebook marketing, Facebook remarketing. This is when the cookies or the pixel is following our customers, so we know when do they get into the different websites, so we can remarket them back. We can send them back to our landing pages, and of course to see again our ads from what we promote in the internet. So you can see there are a lot of videos, a lot of different platforms. So LinkedIn, Instagram, list building, all these are under the marketing tutorials. And definitely somebody who has the determination to sit and spend time to learn definitely has a lot of things to learn from this website. Then is the technical tutorials. This is another page that you can get a lot of technical support and a lot of information about the different technical material that you can use on your website. Next, we have the PLR ebooks. These are the private label rights, and with few words, you can get this ebook. You can change the the name of the author. You can do any kind of change you want, and then you can sell it, or you can actually forward to the internet like your own. The private label rights is a way that people are creating their own products. They can sell it to the internet because many of them can get this information. They can change a lot of also other information within all these books, and then they can sell them like their own product. Also with ebooks, there are the PLR articles. This is the same issue, but instead of ebooks, it concerns articles. So you can get to it, you can find articles that are related with your business. You can change the whatever you want there, and then you can promote it like your own. The same stands for the graphics. We know very well that a lot of graphics we use a lot when we do posts, when we use our website, maybe a lot of icons, a lot of photographs that we can use. All these graphics are under the you can use them from free. So when you become a member of this website, you can even download them, and then you can use them for your website post because they are under the private label rights, and we can use them as members of the Smart Marketing Coaching. The next one is the PLR products. This is the same issue with graphics. This time, instead of graphics or different articles, there are products that we can sell them, so we can get the rights to sell this item, and of course to promote them and get money. The next button has to do with the Viking PLR. Again, we are talking about private label rights, and you can see a lot of different products. For example, if you like to learn about the affiliate marketing, again, you can click on the link, you can download it, and then you can start watching the videos. For example, here for the affiliate marketing, I know that a lot of people, they are interested about the affiliate marketing. They become a member of this group, of this community, of this family of the SMC, and they can get all this information. They can download, of course. They can start working with this page. Then we have the Smart Marketing Coaching Quick Tips. This is some very important tips on how we work on the internet. This is about AdWords. This is the keyword planner, where we use a lot in order to identify which keywords our customers are using monthly, so we can understand what are the keywords and we can use them in our posts, on our blogs, or whenever we do comments. So it will gonna be more easy for the search engines to find them, of course, to take our, let's say, our post in front of many more people. How you can create lists. All these are tips that we can use within this website, and of course to build our business online. Next one, these are the resources. Again, this is another great tool that we can use. We can use with Aweber and get reports. This is a great autorespondence, and of course, when you see, as you see here, there are a lot of free let's say programs, free online tool, free download, FileZilla, Firefox, Photo, free images. We need a lot. Many times when we create our website or we do our posts, we need to get images from the internet. So we have a lot of information that we can get and we can work. Zing is another amazing product that I use a lot personally, because you can capture a picture, you can capture a photo while you're working on your screen. You can save it, you can copy, and then you can very easily save it and upload it to another program, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever. This is a great tool, and I strongly to search and get it from the internet. Next is the SMC Library. This is another, as I said, even with the word, this is a library. We can get a lot of other information about affiliate marketing blueprint. And of course, there is a guide that you can do day by day for 31 days. So you can really build a sustained business with the internet. Finally, and we have a few more. This is the audio and video library. This is these are some other, let's say, tools that you can use, and it has to do with video, and this is the video loops. What you can see here, this is something that you can really get from this website. There are also a lot that you can download. You can get this background, let's say, you can use it to create your own videos or to pass your message, which is something ready-made for us to use in our website. Then we have the members forum, which is a community that we communicate. And finally, for those who want to get direct help, this is directly from the owner and our trainer and mentor, Mr. Terry Anglin, which is a great person. Is one of the most honest and the most reliable person I personally met in my life, and I strongly suggest that even with all this information, I'm sure that you will find a lot that you can use on your website. What is the price that he gives in order to get this platform? It's an amazing, because many people, they will think that in order to get this will be really expensive, and nobody will be able to get get their hands into this amazing website. But what I can tell you, this person, Mr. Terangli, had created a special offer, and I asked for his permission to allow me to make this video and to promote. This is, I don't know for how long will be this offer open for the public, but if you see, there's a lot of information even with his page. But what will happen, the regular price, as you see here, is $47 per month. But if you buy from my link and you buy, I don't know, today, tomorrow, the next few days, because as I said, I cannot promise, because I don't know for how long will be this offer valid. You will be able to get it for $24.97. And what I forgot, and I should also mention it, this website, when we work with the website, Mr. Teryanglin has weekly webinars. This is every Tuesday. In Cyprus is time about 10 to 11, is 1 hour. And one of the biggest help that I also found with this business and my connection with Mr. Teryanglin is that any question I have about anything on the internet, about website, WordPress, email marketing, autorespondence, the only thing I have to do, I have to come to the support. This is a ticket that we can set ticket actually to Mr. Terry. You can see my tickets here. So I can just click here for a ticket and I write my question, and then I have support that it could take me even hours and days if I am trying to find somebody to help me with the internet. I have to say that if it is a simple question, yes, of course, is Mr. Triangle, all with respect, always come back to me with his reply and answer. But of course, if we, the members of the SMC, if we need further assistance, we need more help in our website, about setting up, about technical issues that we cannot solve, yes, we can apply, as we said, with the personal support to Mr. Angley, and Mr. Angley will come back to us and he will give us the help that we need. So I'm going to thank you first of all for your time. It's been almost 15 minutes. My time passed very quick. I'm going to add the link, my affiliate link for this website. Affiliate link means that in case you decide to participate and buy this and become a member, I'm going to get a small amount of money, maybe a few dollars, but this is not the issue. The issue is that we can really promote the business, a very good business, and yes, we can do some money online. So thank you very much for your time, and I strongly suggest for those who will be interested to work with the internet to take advantage of this of this offer that is now available, and to get registered as soon as possible, because as I said at the beginning, I really don't know when it will be off from Mr. Terry Anglin. Thank you very much, and we'll be in touch. Most probably we'll see you inside the next webinar with Mr. Terry Anglin. Thank you very much, and all the best. Take care.